What seemingly innocuous thing have you said on Reddit that made people disproportionately angry? I said I don't like ginger. Not the hair, the spice. People took great offense. I told them that critics didn't like Home Alone 1 when it came out. That was a literal fact. Quite a few classics had mixed reviews or initially negative ones on reception. It's a Wonderful Life and Blade Runner come to mind. I once made the mistake of posting that I thought it was taking a long time for a newly acquired goalie for my favorite NHL team to get a new set of appropriately colored pads. The insults and slurs that got. I said that I wanted to learn more about Asian culture, as an Asian person. Pointing out Bernie Sanders' age when people are like Bernie and 24. I once conflated icing and fondant, and people got pissed. There's a sub on here where whenever the chairman of the company in which the sub revolves around tweets, people are always saying that's my dad, so I made the Bugs Bunny communist meme saying our dad and everyone got fucking pissed.